Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm making a candied sweet potato bites with marshmallow. They are perfect appetizer for the festive holidays. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. And here you have it, guys, the final product, my version of candied sweet potato with marshmallow. And guys, as I said earlier, they are a perfect appetizer for your Christmas party or just Christmas dinner. These definitely will be on my Christmas table this year. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays to each and every one of you. And stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.